whether students from rural background and small towns, can they crack this examination? Because many students are afraid that this examination can be cracked by only those who have very good education in city life. But it is not the case. In the words of UPSC chairman, it is very clear, the evidence is very clear that 80 to 90% of the students are coming from small towns. Small towns means even rural area students also, whoever wants to prepare for this examination, at least they will go to the neighboring area and they are going to prepare. That is why this examination is so inclusive. It is giving opportunity for every section of the society. Almost from every district of the country, students are applying for this examination. Let us see in the words of UPSC chairman only.
इसी वजह से पिछले दशकों में यूपीएससी जितना इंक्लूसिव और कोई माध्यम नहीं। आज की तारीख में जब पूरी तरह की परीक्षा होती है तो जान के आपको सुखद आश्चर्य होगा कि लगभग हर जिले से एस्पिरेंट्स उसमें अप्लाई करते हैं। ये बड़ी बात है। देश में बहुत सारी चीजें इस बात का दावा नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन उससे भी अच्छी बात यह है कि ये कैंडिडेट आते हैं उनमें से 80% से ज्यादा 90% कैंडिडेट टीयर 2 टीयर 3 सिटीज से आते हैं।
See this? So 80 to 90% of the students are coming from small towns only. That is why this examination is just, you can, if you are interested in cracking this examination, it doesn't matter from which background you are coming from, you can crack this examination. Alright, thank you.